Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kinky Ruby Cheese here, and today I'm here with another product review. I've done a review on their product before. So this is another line, their moisture Hydra-Moisture line. Sorry, their Hydra-Moisture line, and I'm really feeling it. So you guys should hold on tight and check out my video. So I'm starting with the Gel Organics Hydra-Moisture Carrot Peppermint Co-Wash Cleansing Cream. Wow, my mouth. Well, this is with argan and aloe vera. It hydrates, moisturizes, and cleanses the hair. I don't know if you guys can see this bottle, and I'm really happy because of this. Before we even get to the product itself, this bottle is the ish. You know, it was easy for me to put into my scalp without, like, I don't know, it was just really easy. Anyway, this does what it said it was going to do. I put in my hair, I washed my scalp. My scalp was clean, it smells so good. My hair wasn't stripped. I did not do hot oil treatment, but my hair was still moisturized when I used this cleansing co-wash. The next one is the Hydra-Moisture blue-green algae daily moisturizer. This smells so good. This smells smells so good. Like, my hair smells so good right now. It's crazy. It smells so good. It's worth it. It made my hair soft, restores moisture, repairs split ends, eliminates frizz, repairs damaged hair, and protects hair from breakage and define curls. And actually detangled my hair. They're supposed to put detangler there because it actually detangled my hair just went through my hair. It was crazy when I used it. I don't know much about defining my curls because it didn't actually define my curls, but it's a great moisturizer. Defining your curls is just a plus because it's a moisturizer. Yeah, I actually love this product. I don't know, they always hit Gel Organics. I don't know whether they know what my hair needs, but it's like a hit with me every single time. Next thing I used was the next one is the Hydra-Moisture Curl Boosting Smoothie with argan oil and sweet almond oil. Well, this one is crazy. I don't know if you can see it. This will see the texture more here. See, it's like this jelly. It reminds me of petroleum jelly. You know, the feel of petroleum jelly. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Of course, there's no. I don't think there's petroleum here. No petroleum. I'm not saying petroleum, but it reminds me of petroleum jelly. The texture of this, and it actually works well. You can tell that it's water based. It's really watery. It's not as thick as the last Organic hair coiling product that I used. I can't really remember the name, sorry, but it's kind of watery in a sense. It's not thick, it's not heavy, it gives shine, and that's like crazy. So I will recommend this for you if you want to do twists like this. You know, see how juicy and shiny this is. Like, can you guys see how shiny it is? Then the last one will be Moisture Lock Oil. Oh my god, mom. Moisture Lock Oil Nutrients with sweet almond oil and vitamin E. Seals in moisture, nourishes the hair, promotes shine, and is very lightweight. Everything I just read here, that's it. You can see my hair is shiny. Like, I don't know if you guys, it's actually shiny and it's lightweight. You guys don't understand. It's like, I'm type 4 hair, like, you know, 4A, 4B, 4C, 4Z. You can find it everywhere in my hair. So you don't understand how much I need something to lock in the moisture to give me that shine, because our hair tends to be dry most of the time. So I'm impressed with this one. I'm very impressed. I'm impressed with this line. This whole line. I am impressed. Believe me. Oh my god, this will give like a bomb twist out and a bomb braid out, but I'm in a protective style mode right now, so yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Stay blessed. I washed my hair with the carrot peppermint co-wash cleansing cream. You can see my hair is clean, doesn't feel stripped at all, moisturized and soft. I separated my hair into 4 parts and I've taken a little bit out of the back section to do my twist. Now I'm going in with the Blue Green Algae Daily Moisturizer. This moisturizer is so moisturizing. It helped me with the tangle. It smells so good. So good. You know, my hair was soft. It went into my hair so easily. You can see by the shock on my face, it's like I'm like, wow. Now I'm going in with the Hydra-Moisture Curl Boosting Smoothie. See the consistency, it's not that sticky, watery. You could tell that the first ingredient is water. No, it's not as thick as any gel and not also as oily as any cream, coiling cream. Now I'm going in with the oil, the Moisture Lock All Nutrient. Very lightweight and smells good too. And it worked into my hair so easily. And now I'm just going to twist that section up. And this is what I'm going to do around my whole hair. Not my whole hair, but most part of it. And see how shiny it is and juicy. So smooth. I was really feeling that twist. I'm just going to do the same thing at the back sections and most of the front section. Now I'm done. You guys can see how bouncy and juicy my twists are. And I'm just doing a little something by the side of my hair, just to give it a little pop. I'm going to do flat twists by the side of my hair, just very, very easy and quick, nothing too difficult to do. Now I'm done with that side. I'm going to continue doing my 2-strand twist the rest of my hair. This took me about 4 hours to complete. My hand was killing me, but protective styling is in season. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Stay blessed. From beneath